Hello, welcome to this video and my YouTube channel. I'm inviting you to click on subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get more videos. Then there I'm going to show you how to set up a local area network connection by using router into packet tracer. Local area network connection using a router. Okay, remember, if you need to connect many computers or multiple computers on the same network or on the network, you will need switch. Okay, this is a switches. Let us choose this which has 24 port. You see, it has 24 port. And then we need the different computers we will connect to the switch. Just click on the end device. Can use computer which are desktop and computer which are laptop. Then after, remember we are creating a network which has a router. Then this router, choose this. Then click on device you need. Then click on the place you need to place your device. Then we are going to connect all those computers on the same switch. We need network cable. We are going to make cabling. We are going to use this straight through cable. First Ethernet 1 to connect the switch to connect your computer to switch, and so on. From switch up to computer. This is the first Ethernet. You know that all your computer has network port. Click here. Okay. Then after, we need to connect this router to switch in order to distribute our network or our internet. Click on the network cable and then click on first Ethernet and first Ethernet to. Sometime you will see the router that has fast Ethernet and gigabyte. Difference between fast Ethernet and gigabyte is the speed of the network or the speed of your traffic. Then we are going to use network which is 192.168.1.0. This is a network class 4. Class C, so this class C has 24 bit. Then from this router we have .1 on this port. Fast Ethernet 00 or fast Ethernet 0/1. Can use whatever you want. Then this is .2. This is .3. This is .4. This is .5. Remember, this our local area network. We are creating. We are going to use static IP address where we will assign all addresses statically. But if you have many computers you are going to use, you can't use static IP because it will require you more energy and more time assign the IP address to all computers manually. Use the DHCP or automatically signing of the IP address. But today we are going to use that. For the next video I will show you how to get DHCP into your local area network, because if you have many computers, for example 100 computers, it will not easy to assign the IP address statically. Okay, today we are going to assign IP address from this router. Click on the device. Here in packet tracer you have to click on the device, then click on config. This is the first Ethernet. You see port status is not on, you have to put it on. See, it is on. Then after to put it on, you have to write IP address. This is .1. This is the subnet mask of class C. Then after we are going to assign the IP address to computer. Click on computer, then desktop. After you have to choose IP configuration, you're going to add the IP address manually. 1 2. Subnet mask is the same. Then we are going to put IP address of the router. See here on our router we have .1, this, and then this is the host address and this is the network address. What will be changed is the network, or is the host address, or the host part. On the network we have always you have two parts, network part and host part. For the host part, for the network part of class C, you have 3 octet. On the host part you have 1 octet. Then here we have IP address, and then you are going to assign IP address here 192.168.1. Default gateway is the same from the first one. You see, it is the same. Even subnet mask, we are using class C. Then assign PC4 192.168.1.4, then 192.168.1.1 default gateway. If you have DNS server, you can put it. But today, in this scenario, we don't have DNS server, no need. Then PC5 IP configuration 192.168.1.5. Subnet mask, it is the same. Even default gateway, it is the same. You see? Then click close. Let me save my project. Router static. Then after, let me check. Here we have IP address .2, and even the default gateway it has. Then here we have all things here and here. All things is good. Then we are going to check the connection between from here up to here. Remember, we have to use simple PDU. Click on the device, the source, and put on destination. You see? This is the same way like using ping command or ping. Let us see. We are going to ping this computer from here up to here. PC3 is going to ping PC2. Open PC3. Then remember, on the physical address, on the physical computer, we have what we call command prompt. See, even in packet tracer you have command prompt. What you can do here in packet tracer, you can do on physical computer, but you have to find device. If you have it, you can try it by using this way. Then click on open CMD. Then you are going to check. First, we are going to check if our computer has an IP ipconfig. ipconfig is a network tool that can help you to see if your computer has a network or has an IP address. Then press enter. You see, here we have IP address of the computer, subnet mask of the network, and even the default gateway of the network. It means this is the IP address from the router. Let me check here. CMD ipconfig /all. These help you to display all information is about network, even the physical address of your network card. You see? Here we have physical address of the network interface. Then this is the IP address of your computer, or the address on the network, And this is the subnet mask of the network. And this is the default gateway of your network. It means this is the IP address of the router. If you have DNS server or DHCP server, it will appear here. Let me check this. ipconfig. Then enter. You see? All things are correct. Let me check. From here to PC4 to up to, this is the source and this is destination. Click here. Then CMD. Then we are going to check the connection or the connectivity between computers. over or on network. This is the network tool, which is a ping command, where it will help us to check the connection between source and destination. Ping command, we are going to ping PC2 192.168.1.1.2. Then click enter, press enter. You see, it is replying. Reply from the destination is reaching. Those are the packets sent to the destination. Here we sent 4 packets and we receive 4 feedback, and there is no loss. It means from the computer 5 there is, and PC 2 there is a connection. Let me check from the PC 2 up to PC 5. Then type ping command space 192.168.2 and 5. This is destination, where we need to go, or where we need to check the connection if we have connection from source to destination. It means this is destination. Then press enter. Let me see. You see, it is replying. It means from this computer 2, which is source, and up to this destination address, we have 4 packet, or we sent 4 packet and we receive 4 reply. You see here, reply from destination. All those are the reply from destination. It is okay. Then we need to check connection between computers and route. Let me use this simple PDU. Check from here up to here. You see, status is successfully. Check from here up to here. You see, it is reaching, because this IP address, this PC computer has a gateway of this router. It means it is passing from this network interface, crossing to the switch and passing through this cable up to this port, which has .1. It is correct. Let me use another way by using CMD. Ping command, we are going to ping our gateway. You see? Then press enter. It is replying. Reply from destination. Destination is our router, because we are pinging router. And this here, there is no lost, 0%. It means you have a connection to the router. If you have your router at your home and some computers, you have to assign the IP address, and after get network. Thank you for watching this video. I'm inviting you to click on subscribe, like, share and comment into comment section. If you need to ask me anything, you have to put your question into comment section, and after I will give you the answer, or I will give you a reply. Thank you for watching.